Our longtime business address is 1528 Rancho View Drive, Lafayette, California. The digital economy is changing everything in our lives. Will it change yours for the better or for the worse? Take a short ride with me to our longtime business office so I can show and tell you my unique vision about the new requirements for making the transition to the new digital economy and how we are doing it with New Money Media interviews and New Money Radio. The big shift to the digital economy has been causing great disruption in the small business and entrepreneurial communities, especially when it comes to being on the right pathway to profitability. There are so many possibilities now. How can you find that thin green pathway to profitability? How can we get enough new customers to hire us today when they too have so many more options available for buying the service and resources that may be just like yours? How can you get their attention and stand out so they can discover that you are the genuine trusted authority or resource that they can rely on and not just another app or worse, a bot? If you're in the people business, then you know it takes human-to-human connections to do business. I created the New Economy Chamber of Commerce for you to use as a virtual mastermind group. And I created a New Money Media show to communicate exactly how I lifted myself from failure up to $1 million earner success in digital selling. Here we believe in ourselves and others, and we're doing this together as friends in commerce to make a difference in the world by helping families create new incomes. New Money Media is all about the new digital economy and the new ways and means of getting new clients or customers today through digital interview introductions and person-to-person collaborations. My mission is to create entrepreneurial incomes by creating the series of business optimization interviews needed to create client-getting audiobooks, ebooks, special reports, blueprints, PDFs, websites, and more that attract the new clients or new customers you need to succeed. The series of authority-building interviews that we do are designed to optimize everything from your email marketing, your LinkedIn networking, your Facebook ads, your website, your Google and YouTube ranking, in order to magnify all of your marketing effectiveness across all social selling today. Doing just one interview isn't enough by a long shot. Today you need content creating consistency. And that's why I'd like to tell you there is no simpler and more effective way to solve this new requirement than with the business optimization interviews I do that spotlight your personal branding story. So you can use these as your client attraction special reports or update. How can you get people to listen to you and focus on what you need them to focus on to buy from you? Okay, here's the real benefit to you. While your prospects are listening to you talk about what you can offer them, they can be seeing and looking at anything you choose. It can be your LinkedIn profile. It can be a book cover with an awesome photo of you on the book cover. That instantly gives you the status of recognized authority. Or they can be looking at your website or a PDF or a blueprint or a keynote graphic. It can be a photo of a piece of property you want to sell if you're a realtor, or anything else you want them to see. You see, the value of what you explain to me while I'm interviewing you is what keeps their eyes and ears focused on your voice, most trusted authority branding and positioning. I'll get right back to reaching our office building shortly. First, I've got some exciting news about optimizing working in the new economy immediately, so that while you're earning, you're also learning the new aspects of the new economy. There is now a cornucopia of new ways entrepreneurs just like you are optimizing your networking, your emailing, your social selling, and much, much more. Why me? Why have I created the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, New Money Media, and business optimization interviews? Because years ago, I learned the simplest and most effective way that works best. Let me show it to you. Okay, guys, now here is the mother lode. If I can get you to pay attention for just a couple of more minutes to this, really focus on this. I know it's kind of full, but I want to explain this. This is really, really important stuff, this part. So these are 12 book covers, okay? Now, yes, these are mine, but I want to use these as a demo to talk about masterminds of the new economy. And I want to warn you that the next couple of graphics I'm going to show you are pretty rich, and I don't want you to lose focus just because there's a lot of content on it, okay? This is important. Here it is. Now, this is Masterminds of the New Economy. These are your 12 special report interviews that I'm going to do with you over the coming year. Every month I do another interview about another special report topic, and I've got so many different headlines that we can talk about. So one month, let's use a realtor for an example. Let's say the first month is 7 things you need to know before you buy a house. Next month, the 3 things you must know about before you select a mortgage broker. So every month, we're going to give you a chance to be interviewed. I'm going to interview you. I'm going to upload every one of these interviews to YouTube for you. Every month, we're going to do this. Every month, you're going to be learning more and more about what you want to say about yourself, your LinkedIn profile, and what you do in the new economy. You can't get everything in just one day, so we're going to take our time. Now, wait till you see what I'm going to share with you next. First of all, understand these are your audio books, chapter by chapter, report by report. So at the end, they can be typed up, they can be turned into an ebook, they can be published as your actual book. This just keeps getting better. Now stay with me. I know this is a rich graphic. Take a look at this one. Now, this one represents the year of promoting your audio books with these top strategies from the masterminds of the new economy. So this is the year-long masterminds of the new economy, months 1 through 12. Over there in the top left, number 1. See that little black one there? Okay, we're going to just focus on that. Weekly, we're going to review the free strategy sessions of 12 top pros who teach how to earn $100,000 and more using audio reports, client magnets, special reports, books, ebooks, etc. Number 1, first month, 4 weeks, we're going to concentrate on the free strategy coachings of Eben Pagan, worth over $1,000 alone. Second month, see there to the right, number 2, that's the second month, okay? Second month, we're going to concentrate on the strategies of Frank Kern. Frank's free strategy sessions are worth $4,000 every month. We're going to break it down week by week. We're going to mastermind together his strategy in peer-to-peer networking. Then we're going to move on to someone like Vivica Von Rosen, a master LinkedIn strategist, okay? How to use LinkedIn to grow your business. Month 4, Brendan Bouchard is going to be reviewed. We're going to break it down together. Then we move on to Josh Turner, another LinkedIn strategist. Move on to our Meetup Mastermind mentor, Sunil Bhaskaran, on month 6. Month 7th, down at the bottom left, Tony Robbins. 8, Greg Reed of Think and Grow Rich. 9, Bob Proctor of The Secret. 10, Omar Briones, my partner and master of infopreneurship. 11, Dory Clark. And 12, Amy Porterfield. Now imagine having 12 strategies from 12 top earners. Each one that we're going to review will teach you how to earn over $100,000. So you can decide through our mastermind sessions, do you want to work with any one of these individual marketing strategists, or do you want to just employ the strategy that you learned? That's going to be up to you. So now you have 12 strategies. You're going to have 12 books at the 12 individual special reports. Every one of these can bring you new clients. But then you're going to have the holistic collection of all of them that can become your ebook. These are your special reports done by interviews. All you have to do is show up on a Zoom session. I will interview you every month, a new interview, so you have time to prepare month by month. Number 1, we start with your current LinkedIn profile. I interview you about that. What are you currently offering consumers in this new economy? It's that simple. It's like being at a virtual trade show. All your information's there. I walk up to you, go, oh, that looks great. Can you tell me about what you do? It's that simple. That's how we're going to do it, step by step. That's why this collection of book covers, you could have 12 different book covers, or you could have 12 different chapters of the same book. So I really want you to be able to understand this. This is vitally important. You know how much money this is worth. Probably this part alone is worth $24,000 by itself. That's the value. And every month during the mastermind meetings, I'm going to be using my background as a 2-time Peabody Award-winning director to help you figure out what you want to say about yourself and your story in our next interview. Even if you're currently struggling, like I was before I first started using my own interview books, and if you feel like you don't know where to start, I do. I'll interview you to help find and develop your social selling storytelling that will allow you to begin working and living as a trusted authority immediately. And it will also increase the value of your business. Gain the status of an as featured on NBC, CBS, ABC, and Fox as a guru so both men and women will immediately like you, trust you, listen to you, and buy from you. Imagine what would happen to your business if next month you're already positioned as a trusted leader or recognized authority. Wouldn't you go out into the world with a lot more confidence? Wouldn't you? My optimization interviews are designed specifically to apply to all of our proven strategies in marketing, systems, social selling, and mindset to get new customers and grow your business. Imagine if our peer-to-peer mastermind meetings had all of the most financially successful business strategies and systems, but also weekly accountability, networking, connections, resources, templates, and mentoring. My business optimization interviews and masterminds of the new economy with peer-to-peer mentoring offer comprehensive and strategic ways and means for you to succeed in your business, succeed in your life, succeed as a trusted leader, or recognized authority in your community. Together, we'll define your mission, your why, your values, your goals, and your vision. You'll also learn to protect your intellectual property rights. You'll also meet and grow your own collaboration team with the new friends in commerce you meet in these mastermind groups. You'll monetize your experience as an accepted expert without having to sell, convince, or chase down prospects. Develop content that delivers your powerful message in the exact way that people today demand to receive it. You'll learn from the top 12 gurus who teach specifically how to monetize your knowledge by establishing your authority with the effective ways and means to build and engage your audience with the best of both worlds, the best of in-person and the best of digital networking. All the benefits of using business optimization interviews about your personal branding, audiobooks, special reports, and more to create your story as a recognized authority and as a series of YouTube videos are almost innumerable. You know, honestly, there are so many ways to get new clients with your business optimization interviews that we needed to host an ongoing mastermind series just to show you the many, many new ways to optimize your business with the simplest and yet most effective resources of the new economy. So please, please, please register on www.theneweconomychamber.com to receive your business optimization updates to stay current in the new economy. Because folks, I have to tell you, if you are not current and not transitioning to digital and social selling, then you risk setbacks or even becoming obsolete. So visit www.theneweconomychamber.com and register for free right now.